Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to get an iOS control center on Xiaomi POCO F3. First off, we have to go to the Google Play Store and from there look for control center iOS 14. Exactly. Install it. Now open. It's going to take a while for it to load. Now we have to give it a permission to display over other apps. Tap on Control Center and allow display over other apps. Now go back, swipe to the left, tap on this button in the bottom right corner. Of course there's an advertisement. Simply skip it. Okay, and now it should be working actually. It's hard to spot, but there's a greenish line on the right side. Let's try. We have to give the application another permission, allow modifying system settings, and now if we swipe our finger from right to the left, as you can see, we open up the iOS control center on Xiaomi POCO F3. I might remind you. And that's everything for this video actually. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.